Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of mastering the stock market. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to refine your skills, this video is packed with valuable insights to help you succeed. Segment 1: Understanding the Basics. Let's start with the basics. The stock market is where you buy and sell shares of companies. It's essential to understand terms like stocks, shares, and dividends. This foundational knowledge will give you the confidence to navigate the market. Segment 2: Importance of Research. Research is your best friend in the stock market. Before investing, study a company's financials, products, competitors, and industry trends. Informed decisions are the cornerstone of successful investing. Segment 3: Developing a Strategy. Having a strategy is crucial. Decide if you're a long-term investor or prefer short-term trading. Set clear goals and follow a plan that aligns with your risk tolerance and financial objectives. Segment 4: Diversification and Risk Management. Diversifying your investments across various sectors reduces risk. If one sector faces a downturn, your overall portfolio remains protected. Also, be prepared for risks by setting stop-loss limits and having an emergency fund. Segment 5: Technical and Fundamental Analysis. Understanding both technical and fundamental analysis can give you a competitive edge. Technical analysis examines price trends, while fundamental analysis delves into a company's financial health. Segment 6: Bonus: Mindset Matters. Now, here's the bonus point that can make all the difference: mindset matters. The stock market can be unpredictable, leading to emotional highs and lows. Develop resilience and discipline to stick to your strategy, even when faced with market fluctuations. In conclusion, mastering the stock market requires a blend of knowledge, strategy, and the right mindset. Remember, every successful investor started from scratch. Embrace the learning curve and stay committed to continuous improvement. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more insightful content. Thank you for joining us today, and remember, your journey to mastering the stock market begins here.